Ladies and gentlemen, it is August 2nd. Take a look on this trade. This little baby trade reached reversal zone. Few points later. If you placed your trade properly, if you placed stop limit bracket order properly. We've been tested this morning, unlike morning before. We've been tested this morning as we watched weak Fibonacci dance from this area. We watched our after oil news price reaching this support. We discussed for almost 2 hours that shorting into this support not an option. We discussed almost for 2 hours that only if you play by proprietary Fibonacci rules you learn in the course, you will succeed. Rules are met, take a trade. You know how to place bracket order properly? You know the difference between limit versus stop limit orders? The sky's the limit. Forget about being a victim of indicators. Forget about trigger happiness. Remember, all that matters is price and Fibonacci. Remember, Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the markets. This level been identified weeks in advance. Exact same trade played out on July 24th. Exact same market collapse played out on July 25th. Spectacular FOMC news did not mean a thing. Market crashed completely until this reversal zone. Price action is always present. Fibonacci always present. Trades are not. Only if rules are met, you can take a trade. Rules had been met, trade reached reversal zone. Trade is struggling. Anyone surprised? Price action the same everywhere. Exact same thing happened on Netflix. Remember that? My goodness! Spectacular subscription range did not mean a thing when Netflix collapsed. Do you know what to do with your position now on Netflix? Ouch! Netflix collapsing again. Only if you know the rules. Only if you play by the rules. The sky's the limit. Are you day trader? Are you position trader? Choice is yours. Now is a good time to adjust the trail. Right outside of decision point 2. Exact same level where oil skyrocketed from. Remember that? No surprise. Exact same reversal zone where oil collapsed from, despite OPEC production cuts. Always use common sense, pretty please. If indicators, news and earnings worked, everyone would be Bill Gates. Indicators do not work. Indicators are fake, artificial, delayed stuff, developed after price made a move. Exact same decision point too, as you see now on little baby chart on S&P. And that's what price does every time. What you trade, 100% up to you. And never ever ever forget, that's what Amazon done last week at the time of earnings. Did you buy Amazon? Because Amazon is a spectacular company? Hilarious, hysterical and funny. I've learned that lesson in 2008. Fundamentals earnings don't mean a thing. As I said to you, days before Amazon collapse. expect collapse, as this is not just decision point 2. This is institutional reversal zone, as you saw Amazon on weekly chart. And that's what price does every time. Rules are met, take a trade. And that's what S&P doing this morning. Unlike on Amazon, it's not resistance, it's a support. Boom. S&P continue moving higher, but struggling immensely as expected. Because this is reversal zone. You already received a pullback for a point. If this level is out, your bullish trade moved into hourly chart. Price action the same everywhere. You never buy at reversal zone. And that's the reason I named this level reversal zone. And that's the reason institutional chart that's been present in the room for the last 6 years reminding you. Bullish rally from reversal zone of 2016 reached institutional exhaustion. Problem is, institutions not closing their positions. When institutions will start closing their positions, when institutions will start shorting this market, you better be ready. Because that's when your execution will need to be top notch. This is a chart that's been present in the room for years. This level been identified since 2016. Exact same Fibonacci support that you saw on hourly, exact same Fibonacci reversal zone that you saw on oil, that you saw on Netflix, that you saw on Tesla. No surprise. It's all the same. You master price action, the sky's the limit. Price moving higher, but taking a pause. What would be a marvelous news? Powerful reversal. Any questions? Please do ask. I live and breathe Fibonacci. I live and breathe teaching. I live and breathe the markets. I teach exact same thing to very different people. People who come from different backgrounds, different families, different cultures, different accounts. Do you live in Sydney and you're a beginner trader who trying to change his life because you're sick and tired of being chiropractor? Are you a hedge fund manager in Alabama? Are you engineer in Qatar? Are you a beginner trader in Barcelona? Are you a gentle, beautiful spirit who loves to hike in Colorado? Every single person has a different story. Every single person learns the same formula. Every single person has different discipline. How you will trade, what your performance will be, depends on you. Depends if you can identify what you want to trade. Choice is yours. Course, group course, 4 weeks expanded to 8. In case you would like to take vacation, in case you would like to take time off. Every single Monday major class, every single Friday major class. Perfect day to start, in my humble opinion, is Thursday. You come to Friday class, you read the modules over weekend, and you are in full speed on Monday. You're already prepared for Monday class. If you are in private mentoring, please speak with me first. Private mentoring 4 months with annual follow-up. If I see in private mentoring that you are learning basics well, I will take you further in knowledge of Fibonacci. Every single morning I meet with students pre-market at 9:15 before market open. We discuss market structure just like we did this morning. Discussing with students, good idea to walk away from the screen, which you saw very clearly saved you an hour of time. Students receive guided trading room included in the course. Every single day, Monday through Friday, I am with students. Most important class on Monday and Friday. In private mentoring, we work via screen sharing, via Skype and via TeamViewer. And as you can see, different students I mentioned that are currently in the course trading different instruments. Choice is yours, what you choose to trade. As S&P moving slowly higher, never ever acquire position at reversal zone. 3 points on S&P on 1 lot $150, on 10 lots $1,500, on 20 lots $3,000. What account size you trade depends on you. What your results are depends on how you place your trade, as execution is everything in day trading. Execution at least 50% of your success. I just trail closer. And that's what played out this morning. And that's the reason price reminded you. You know where Fibonacci levels are. You never short near. Your maximum workday, 10 hours per week. You don't need many trades. You only need to add lot size when you remain consistent trader. Any questions, please do ask. Price is moving. 4 points on S&P, 1 lot $200, 10 lots $2,000. The most popular day trading instrument in US, moving higher. I will remind you what happens if you buy at reversal zone. Nothing good is possible. So, if you're emotionally self-aware, if you know what to do, you will know extremely well. The sky's the limit. If you surround yourself with beautiful people, if you surround and remember, everything in life depends on quality, not on quantity. And that's a lesson I learned long time ago in life. And that's a lesson I teach you in the course. Everyone with me? As my gorgeous husband reminds me every day. Boom! Shock or not, reversal zone is present. Are you surprised S&P pulled back 2.5 points? That's a pretty spectacular pullback. S&P can pull back 10 points. It's a reversal zone, traders. You see instantly in front of you. Exact same thing that you saw on Netflix. Exact same thing that you saw on Apple. Remember that? Collapse of 2015 despite stunning earnings? Remember that? Bullish rally despite worst earnings in 13 years? Every single time, it's the same formula. What you trade, absolutely up to you. So, I highly encourage you, if you're interested in taking course, review the information under Learn and listen to the students. And if you ever have any questions, do not hesitate to call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all I have for today. I am off to speak with my students, as I meet with students every day before market open and after group close. So if you'd like to call me, pretty please call me after 12 EST, as S&P stuck in correction again. No reason to waste your time. So, long from 24.65 reached reversal zone 24.69 and a quarter. Only if you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. And that's what Score's all about.